Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Porto, and over the course of the next few weeks, I'm going to be making more videos for an Introduction to Astrophysics course. And what is astrophysics, you might ask? So physics is a core science that I'm sure many of you have studied a bit about or have heard of at least, which is about the motion of objects, different forces, gravity being a key one, and gravity is also a key one in astrophysics. And so if we break down the word astrophysics, physics is the second part, right, which is that common science. And astro stems from the Latin word for stars, astra, right? So pretty much astrophysics is the physics of stars or the motion of stars. So what might that entail more closely? So I'd be talking about the creation of stars, how stars die, how they interact with other stars and other planets. I'll be talking about galaxies. For example, this is our Milky Way, which is our galaxy. We're inside here in this picture, very, very tiny dot. Since our galaxy includes many different stars, and each star has a solar system, and many stars have planets, like we're a planet with a star, right, the sun. And so we're an incredibly tiny dot in this picture, but this is our galaxy. We live in here. And anyway, so I'll be talking about galaxies, and I'll also be talking about black holes. So a black hole, just to give you a little introduction, a black hole is called a black hole because no light can survive in the black hole. And basically, that's why it's called black, right? And in the black hole has such a heavy gravity pull that if you get too close to it, and I'll go into more detail when I do my video about black hole, you're sucked in, and black holes can engulf entire stars, and they can be incredibly destructive. But black holes also have different sizes. So a black hole can be huge, and these are called supermassive black holes. But a black hole could also be a very, very tiny black hole. So if you join my course, and if this sounds interesting to you, to learn about the stars, the galaxies, and what exists beyond our little planet in space, which I think is very cool to learn about, since most of us won't have the experience to actually see any of these. So if that sounds interesting to you, any of those stars, galaxies, black holes, feel free to join because it should be fun.